Hey guys, as you can see here, there is a pigeon and it is trying to squeeze its body to save from raindrops. I am living in Delhi right now, and uh, this pigeon has made a nest at the backside of our washroom, and it is raining heavily actually, and the pigeon is trying to save him from the raindrops and squeezing its body, and it made a nest for a long time, and I have sympathy for him. It's very pathetic actually, it's very pathetic to him, pathetic situation, and I can't help it. And I also I can't let him come in my home. So I I wish I could give him shelter, but sorry I can't. So may God help him. That's all about it. I want to share with you. What can I do? I'm thinking about this pigeon for a long time. How can I help him? If you guys have any idea, please suggest me on comment box. And right now this pigeon is looking at me. What am I doing this? What am I doing right now? Are you guys watching him? Look, I'm zooming my camera actually. Okay, that's all about today. So do comment and suggest me what can I do for him. Thank you guys.